Hello and welcome again on this channel. This is Mrs. Manda Matai, जहां आप सीखते हैं how to speak in English. Today I will teach you very significant part of English and that is vocabulary. This topic first we will understand what is vocabulary. A person's vocabulary is the set of words within a language that are familiar to that person. A vocabulary usually develops with age and serves as a usual and fundamental tool for communication and acquiring knowledge. Acquiring on extensive vocabulary is one of the largest challenges in learning a second language. Our today's topic is words which commonly confuse. ऐसे शब्द जिनसे आप भ्रमित होते हैं. Word number 1, anxious. All the students will be paying attention on the pronunciation. Most of the students are saying anxious. Anxious. This is not anxious, anxious. अर्थात चिंतित या चिंतातुर. नेक्स्ट वर्ड ईगर अर्थात उत्सुक या बहुत अधिक उत्कंठित. लेट्स सी द सेंटेंस ऑफ वर्ड एंशियस. वी वर एंशियस अबाउट हिज हेल्थ. हम उसकी सेहत के बारे में चिंतित थे. वर्ड ईगर. लेट्स सी the sentence of word eager. We are eager to see him healthy again. हम उसे दोबारा सेहतमंद देखने के लिए उत्सुक हैं. Next confusing pair is already. Already. Already means अर्थात सभी लोग और सभी चीज़ें तैयार. Already अर्थात पहले से ही. Better understanding, we will see the sentences of these words like already, already. First, already. We were all ready to go when the lawyer arrived. जब वकील पहुंचा तो हम सभी जाने को तैयार थे. जब वकील पहुंचा तो हम सभी जाने को तैयार थे. All the students will pay attention on the spelling in this first word all, all, then ready, ready. Although in the next word is there already, already, already. We had already begun dancing when the choreographer arrived. Once again listen this carefully. Already. We had already begun dancing when the choreographer arrived. कोरियोग्राफर के पहुंचने से पहले ही हमने डांस शुरू कर दिया था. This is also very confusing pair of words like all together. Like all together. Understand the spelling all together. TOGETHER. All the students will be paying attention. All is separate and together is separate. And in next word all together it is combined. So first word is there all together. सभी लोग मिलकर. Next word all together पूरी तरह से. Let's understand the sentences all together. The students recited poems all together. The students recited poems all together. Here in the pronunciation of poems, we can say poems, we can say poems also. The students recited poems all together. सभी छात्रों ने मिलकर कविताएं सुनाई. सभी छात्रों ने मिलकर कविताएं सुनाई. नेक्स्ट वर्ड ऑल टुगेदर. दिस वॉज ऑल टुगेदर अ न्यू डेंजर matter of coronavirus in the world. Try to listen once again and try to understand the spelling also. All together it is a combined spelling. This was altogether a new danger, matter of coronavirus in the world. दुनिया में यह कोरोना वायरस पूरी तरह से एक नया खतरनाक मसला था. दुनिया में यह कोरोना वायरस पूरी तरह से एक नया खतरनाक मसला था. Once again, try to understand there is a lot of difference in these words, like always. In first, like always. Try to understand the spelling A-L-L, all, then ways, W-A-Y-S, अर्थात सभी तरह से. The next word is there, always. This is not always, this is always, अर्थात हमेशा, सदा. Let's see the sentences of these words. Like always means पूरी तरह से. The scheme was in always the old. The scheme was in always the old. योजना सभी तरह से पुरानी थी. योजना सभी तरह से पुरानी थी. Next word, always. Next word, always. Always be polite. हमेशा सभ्य रहो. Always be polite. हमेशा सभ्य रहो. For the ending of the video, please take care of yourself and your family in this pandemic situation. For more educational videos, subscribe to this channel if you like this video. Thank you for watching this video.